SEC sues Musk for underpaying for Twitter stock amid takeover. Y'all could remember they was working out these kinks and they getting ready to backdoor this man. The Security and Exchange Commission sued Tesla CEO Elon Musk for allegedly delaying the disclosure of stake in Twitter, allowing him to underpay by at least $150 million for shares he purchased after his beneficial ownership report was due. The regulatory said by March 14, 2022, Musk had greater than 5% stake in Twitter and didn't disclose it within the 10-day time frame required. In a statement to Investopedia, Musk's lawyers said the billionaire had done nothing wrong. The Security and Exchange Commission sued Tesla CEO Elon Musk for allegedly delaying a disclosure of stake in Twitter in early 2022, allowing him to underpay by at least 150 million shares he purchased after his beneficiary ownership report was due. The regulator said that by March 14, 2022, Musk had a greater than 5% in Twitter and didn't disclose it within the 10-day time frame required to put in a 13D filing. Musk only disclosed the stake on April 4, 2022. The SEC said on which the day the shares spiked by more than 27%. The delayed disclosure allowed Musk to buy more than $500 million in added Twitter stock at artificial low prices. The SEC said Musk completed his roughly $44 billion purchase on Twitter since renamed X in October 22. Musk has done nothing wrong, lawyer says. In a statement to Investopedia, Musk lawyer Alex Shapiro, a partner at Quinn Emanuel, said the regulatory lawsuit was an admission by the SEC that they cannot bring in the actual case. Mr. Musk has done nothing wrong, and everyone sees that shame for what it is, Shapiro added. Do you have any news tip for Investopedia reporters? Please email us at your home buying benefits already. Let me see. I was looking for my 5 things for the day when we talking about Elon. I'm okay with that. Whatever. I just know I see if you even get money, you still got problems. Say more money, more problem. Well, just give me the money and I'll deal with the problem later because I'm tired of not having money and having problems. Let's see. Dow Jones today, stock future rise as an investment digest bank earnings await inflation data. This was 33 minutes ago. Order of chaos. Stock futures move higher Wednesday morning as several big banks released strong quarterly earning reports while market participants awaited a key inflation report. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industry Average and S&P 500 and NASDAQ were each up 0.4% about 2 hours before the opening bell. The major indexes turned in mixed performances on Tuesday, with the S&P finishing fractionally higher while the NASDAQ composite lost ground for the 5th straight session in the big tech sell-off. Did Microsoft sell off in January with a January pullback? Please, I don't even want to look at it because I shorted Microsoft on the pullback last year and lost 65,000 on the short. Shares of large banks were leading. Microsoft pulled back every year in January, but I guess NVIDIA propped them up. Either that or my social security number was attached and they said, no, Mr. Peterson, you are not getting this money. No wealth for you, my guy. Shares of the large banks were leading the gainers in pre-market trading this morning. Wells Fargo was up more than 3% after reporting fourth quarter results, while JP Morgan and Chase and Goldman Sachs each gained more than 1%. Citigroup shares were also up 1% of its earning release. No money for me because they know I want to buy land in certain areas. I want to own me a spring or land where I can get spring straight from water, straight from out of a spring. And also I want their grandmothers and mothers. Y'all finally learned about me, YouTube. So they don't want me to have money because they know I'm coming to pipe. Mega cap technology stock were up across the board ahead of the bell on Wednesday. Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta Platform, and Tesla were all slightly in the green. Market participants will be keeping a close eye on consumer price data that's scheduled to release at 8:30 a.m. Eastern as they look for the information that could affect a Federal Reserve decision-making on interest rates. Data in recent weeks have underscored the continued strength of the U.S. economy, dimming hopes that the Fed will cut interest rates again. The central bank has trimmed its benchmark rate at its last 3 policy meetings dating back to September, but has warned that the pace of easing will likely slow this year. The yield on the 10-year Treasury, which is sensitive to rate expectation, was 4.76 this morning, down from 4.79 on Tuesday. The yield hits its highest level in more than a year last week. Bitcoin was little change this morning at around $96,500. Gold futures were up 1% at $2,710 an ounce, while crude oil futures was up about 0.5%. Stock index futures higher ahead of inflation data. Futures tied to Dow Jones Industry Average were up to 0.4. S&P 500 future was also up 0.4. NASDAQ futures 0.4. Get your investor starter kit. Learn fundamental analysis strategies used by most successful investors. This online course by Investopedia Academy is taught by a CFA CMT charter holder and includes over 67 lessons on demand video, exercise, and interactive content. You'll learn how to build an investment portfolio, focus on creating real long-term wealth, and how to navigate exchange traded funds, dividend stock, and other trading instruments. Hey, this is Investopedia.com, brought to you by Avery Sanctuary Peterson II at The Joint. This is my vlogging channel, my financial market channel. I'm analyzing the ES John D. Rockefeller, baby, or SG. I like your move, Rockefeller. I wish I could be as criminally minded as you and get away with it. I love it. I love what you did for your family. I stand on it. I'm doing the same for mine too, as soon as I find my way. I love it, yo. I love it. This world is so wonderful and magnificent, all that it contains. It's so great, it's so precious, and I'm going to enjoy everything that this world has to offer. Because it's just that amazing here. It's nothing else better. And when my time is done, when my life is over, it's over. I don't believe in nothing else outside of myself. I believe that it's only me and me. It's me. I look at myself every day, the man in the mirror, and I hold myself accountable for my choices and decisions, past, present, and the future ones that I'm going to make. No one else get my time. Yeah, you, Elon Musk, you becoming a genius too. You're a genius too. I need to have y'all foresight. And I better keep my mouth closed. Because I don't know who I'm speaking out. I don't care to have y'all power. Y'all could keep y'all power. I just want the money, your grandmothers and mothers. My financial literacy channel, I am learning the way of the financial market. This is how I analyze the futures market. These are different things that I'm doing to learn about the futures market. No, in any way, shape, or form is this financial advice. This is for me to analyze technical analysis, fundamental analysis, so I could be a better investor trader. I just want to live my life until the breath out of my lungs are gone. That's it. Core CPI, month over month, year over year, at 8:30 this morning. Well, that drops in 15 minutes. 8:30 Eastern, you go get some numbers and results. The market's gonna go crazy, up or down. If you're in a position, you just have to have capital to protect your investments and your whatever decision you're in, whichever way your market direction. I trade in the futures market. I did in the options, and I did horrible with my options. Actually, that's where I lost all my currency in both markets. But I lost more in the options because I didn't make as much as I did in futures. In futures, oh no, that's not true. I made it quite a bit. I made like 30,000, like around 33,000 in options. And then I gave it all back by shorting Microsoft in January. I went big. I shorted Microsoft 65,000 because I'm trying to make a difference. I need to buy land, and I'm just trying to be a different person. I don't want cars. Y'all can have y'all cars. I don't care. Actually, I do want a car, but I don't care about all the cars. I don't care about materials in so many which ways, because I can't take materials to the grave. We cleaned out my great-grandmother home, and even though she had so many things that meant so much to her, she never got to see those again. We cleaned it out while she was alive, and it was supposed to be done for a remodel of her home, and she never came and seen those materials that was hoarded her whole entire life. So at that moment, I told myself, I don't care about materials. What are the materials going to do for me? I want to travel, see the world, see people, meet people of all different descents and races and ethnicities, because I love people. But I hate what society has done to us as people and our belief systems, how they are shaped. But I want to go where the people that are loving and kind all the way around the world. I want to give so many hugs, so many touches, kisses on the cheeks. Like, this is the world that I want to see, I want to live in. It's too beautiful and too wonderful to have a stressful, unacceptable, unachieving life. There's too many challenges that could be achieved. And then I hope I pass that along to my descendants, that, yo, this world is amazing. Just go out and explore it. Have fun and enjoy it, because you're only going to be here once, and once it's gone, it's gone. There's no coming back. There's nothing that you can do. You can't pray for it, about it, or nothing. Unless y'all, unless y'all know something I don't know, let me in. I ain't even gonna fib. Let me in, because I want to be here forever. This place is so beautiful, so wonderful, so magnificent. But I thank you all for giving me your time, and thank you, YouTube, for allowing me to express my artistic views and education, entertainment purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I am investing in trading to make a difference in my world, in my life. In past performance is not indicative of future success. If you're watching anything, don't say I told you to do anything, because I didn't. This is my information, my strategy, the way that I invest. This is just me learning more about myself, building more patience and discipline so I can be the best me. I just love everything about myself, and I love the world that all that it contains, even the wicked and evilness, because I understand, like, it's a balance. So be it. I hope that this message is able to get put out, and I hope it's not censored, because it's just me giving my journalistic views on how I experienced 35 years upon this earth. And I want to experience more. And the only way that I can experience this with currency, fiat money. All experiences cost. I can't even sit in my own home without spending a penny. And I cannot go outside without somebody want to tax me. So, like, I need currency. I need to be able to have currency to flow. I love you all. I thank you all for being here with me. And I want to keep giving you the gift of gab and talking. I want to actually wait for these charts to pull up, but the chart is taking a while, and nor I'm not going to edit or I'm not going to edit. Maybe I could let you see my face here. Y'all can see my face. Maybe I should have been talking to you this way. I want to be able to grow. I want everything that belongs to me plus more. I want to be able to see the world unimaginable, things that I can't even fathom. It's just too many beautiful things, too many places, too many people for me to be content with the way that life is now. I'm not saying that. I'm trying to speak properly, because I get that the system doesn't want it for everyone, but I want it for myself. And I am going to do whatever it takes to obtain it. Either I'm going to get it by doing my businesses the correct way, and I'm not waiting too much longer, because who knows, I could be dead tomorrow. So I'm impatient but patient at the same time. I'm working towards everything. I have been working my whole life. Ever since the age of 12, only thing I knew was work. I started with my grandfather in landscaping. I helped my grandfather build partial of his home till he passed away. While building his home, he was so stressed out over finances that it took him out of this world. My mom left this world early, and no, I am not leaving this world early without experiencing the things that I want to see. I have seen too many family members, too many friends with vision boards and things that they wanted to achieve and was unable to because life just abruptly stopped for them. That's not the way I'm living. I'm living life to the fullest. And this is the world that I see that I want to conquer, the world that I want to live in. And that's just it. I don't care who you are on the other side of the screen, whatever adversary you are, whatever adversary you are, I'm going to find me a door. I'm going to open up a door. I don't care what you try to put in front of me. And that's just bottom line. And no one is taking my time because time is the only thing that matters to me. Once my time is up, it's nothing else. Everything ceases to exist. So still here. I'm still trying to load my chart. Yeah, I know. I did all that talking, and my chart still is not up. I don't know why I stuck with this platform. So I like this so much. It's the first one I traded with, and I have this brand loyalty. But I should have probably went with someone else, like NinjaTrader or something, yo. Because this platform it's irky. It's so bad. It's horrible. And that's all I got to say. They set me up for so many different failing positions. I had literally seen the market go, of course, y'all play with numbers, so the market went like to 5,666, and I knew that was going to happen. And it went actually 2 points above. So I was in position to have a $1,000 day to go up, and then I was going to catch the 30 point on the downside in the ES, and of course, ES Mini. And of course, my own platform did not allow me to move up my position into profit taking. I use a trail stop, which I probably should have had a profit target too as well, but I never trade. I always trail my positions. And of course, when I went to move up my position, I couldn't move it up using the matrix. And that was a bad day for me because that one moving, catching it on the upside, that was a $1,700 day. And then 30 points going down, I was getting ready to add positions on top of positions. So I'm a little upset, but needless to say, I can say that's my fault for not setting a stop target. Yo, this is bad, yo. This is bad. Hey, you know your software and platform. If y'all see this, I've been trading, investing with y'all for a while. I'm not gonna tell the world who y'all are, but y'all are horrible. And I might actually find out if I could take a pursuit of finding out, like, I don't know, because I seen the SEC. I just read the SEC sued Elon Musk, so I might try to find out if I can get in contact with the SEC and figure out how I can get my capital, because y'all manipulate y'all system. Or unless the whole market in whole is manipulated, and that's the case, then I'm doomed. Because I guess it would be just a thing of chance, of risk and luck. Oh, consolidation. Yeah, a lot of people are going to get wiped out here. And if not, it's going to go up. I'll get in. Look at that gap here, here. So a lot of people might get, boom, bombed out right here. And they go take y'all to the house. Here too. Dang, 830. What is that? 20 points to the downside? Possibly. Yikes. And if you got in early and you was able to protect, that's pretty cool. That's awesome. See what we're looking like on a daily. Oh yeah, you got a 1 inside. So that's potential. That's potential to be taken out. That's potential to go up. Up. Oh, it's gonna be a very interesting day. Y'all hold on to y'all buckles and y'all be careful out there in that market. I could tell y'all that much. Let me see what I look like on the 1 minute. Oh yeah, that junk waving like this. It definitely would. It's definitely 99. Y'all can't even say what I'll do because then y'all try to hold me as. I love y'all. I better get off here before I start talking too much. Have a wonderful day.